Just a quick video here. I wanted to show you some couple tools that help me when I'm drawing. These ones I just got. They're little models that you can set up. These ones are chibi models. Now, these ones are a little bit, what are they? They're 2.5 heads. So that's not bad. Very much like chibis. They're totally posable, and I can set them up to get an idea of the pose that I want, how it would look. I'm not sure. Their heads split apart. I'm not sure why. I think that there are additional things that you can get for them, or that I could get for them. Now, mine didn't get delivered with the proper bases, so these ones I can't really pose them that well. It's kind of annoying. But you set them up in the pose you want, and then you can just do a quick sketch. And they really help you visualize what the character should look like, help you keep proportions properly, help you visualize the characters in a three-dimensional way. Really love these things. They help a lot. And to that end, I've also got these ones. And these are more like your traditional superhero guys. And they're manga sort of body style. But it's pretty easy. I mean, once you study a little bit of anatomy or whatever, it's pretty easy to just change them to however you want. So these ones I can actually pose up in the air. I think maybe these are... I'll try it. Just a minute here. Let me see. Maybe I can... whoa. Oh, no. I was hoping that they would be interchangeable, but they're not. Too bad. That would have been handy, because these ones have really neat bases on them, so because it allows me to pose the figures in the air, which is really nice and handy. You know, if I want to different poses. They have different hands. I'm not sure that that's really all that useful, but it is useful to pose figures, you know, and get an idea of the proportions, like I say again, and just make sure everything's kept straight. Here we are again. So I just find these ones really useful. I found these on Alibaba, or on AliExpress, I think. This is the package it came in. So, kind of, yeah, it's supposed to have more stuff on it. It didn't show up with any of this. It only showed up with one little piece. So it would have been nice if it had that. I could have posed it. But let's see here. And I also got this one, which is kind of, I don't know, it's not really for drawing, but I thought it might be useful. It's very articulated. Again, very helpful model, you know. If it can change faces and stuff. I think this one's more like a toy. But still, I mean, the proportions are nice. They're not accurate entirely, but it's cartoony a little bit. But still, it's all right. It's a handy one. Anyway, that's it. Just a quick, just wanted to show you that quickly. Just because I get asked every once in a while about drawing and little things like that. So I just wanted to show that these are actually really helpful. All right. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. I'm going to keep making videos on different topics, you know, drawing and games and that kind of stuff. And please leave a thumbs up and share if you would. That would be really great. All right. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later.